That silicon gonna melt again.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's a little bit of a twitch up there, but let's try my flat mix in a minute. Yeah, it's alright. The Learjet's like this though,
Yeah.
when you get it in the air, but it's just getting off the ground. And
Yeah.
so if you know anyone who was interested, cheap Learjet. Well, this is pretty docile, isn't it?
Hey, look.
It's only a glider. It's only like this.
It's very scarlet. If you didn't know, you'd think that was sort of like a lot higher. You know, you can help.
It's not bad up there.
It's nice. There was a gust of wind when I was up there, which was alright. Better than the other day. Slow, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a good little mower. It's not noisy either, really.
Oh,
And I think I could put an 8-inch prop on it. It's only got a 7 on it,
yeah,
and it might be able to slow it down and make it a bit quieter.
yeah.
I hate that bit over there.
I don't like it over there.
There's something weird about those trees.
Yeah. It's where most things go down. That's what we can try for that.
That was me pulling back on the throttle, by the way. It doesn't need much to get it away. there's a woman there, so I'll go away from her. Yeah, it certainly climbs alright, look. The sick bags are under the chair at the back.
The oxygen mask just fell down.
Yeah.
You can just imagine the screaming, can't you? Flight attendants doing the old ambulance, and it's a bit late for that. Certainly impressive, right?
Well, I'm quite impressed with the wing, it's working well.
It is.
You know, I know it's not 100% scale, but
It looks good in the air.
the wing was the worry. I thought, you know. I've tried to put some washout on, it's not fantastic. The other plane's got more washout on it actually, so.
Yeah.
It don't always come out right when I put the cutter on it, they're not always identical when I cut them. But as I say, I cut 3 out that day, 3 wings, and that was the second best wing. The other one I decided to, I don't know why, I thought, oh, I'll fly the other one, the good wing, for the test flight and bugger it, and then I can say, oh yeah, that was good, I'll build another one and put the crap wing on it. But I thought, no, it's best really for the test flight. To see if it ain't going to be any good, then it ain't going to get better.
No.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's a bit like a glider floating around, actually. Yeah.
It does float.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think when you build a prototype, I think a lot of people think, well, I won't put too much effort in it. But if you don't, then it's not much of a test, is it? It's not much of a prototype.
No.
Okay, when they build prototypes for airliners and that, they normally have loads of instruments inside and that.
That's it, yeah.
But they don't say, oh, let's not, just leave this bit off or something. Because they're not going to get a real test, are they?
I'd dread it to stall about that height because I don't think I'd recover it. Well, that's it really. I haven't brought anything else out, no other whizzy plane, so. And also another thing is there is dihedral on it, but there's not enough.
Oh right.
I stopped the video the other day and I looked and it's miles
It's flat, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, but it's not though.
No, it's not.
Something snapped inside.
It's not beyond repair for it.
So you're sickening
Back
everything.
in the holding it first.
Not, that's what I'm saying, it needs going back on.
And that's just film.
It's alright, don't worry. I've got a feeling I forgot to put the bloody manual focus on. I bet it's hunting, bloody thing.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I can't look away. It'll probably